굿모닝입니다. 새벽에 또 비가 내렸는데 와 날씨 너무 좋아요. 바로 플리트비체로 가보도록 하겠습니다. 이제 한 3, 4일 지나니까 뭔가 조금 손발이 맞는 느낌. 이제 이 친구랑 저랑 이제 어떻게 보면 일상 루틴이 많이 달랐잖아요. 잘 맞춰가고 있습니다. 이 루틴이나 아니면 이 여행하는 방식을. 으아. 근데 여러분 여기는 산 위쪽이다 보니까 벌써 가을이 왔는지 단풍이 떨어져요. 어제 바람 불 때 이게 떨어지더라고요. 너무 낭만 있지 않나요? 가을 타는 남자인데 또 가을 오네. 이러면 기분 너무 설레죠. 좋습니다. 엘레나, how are you?
Very, very good. I'm happy.
How is your food?
Much, much better. See, now I can do like this.
Without pain?
Yes.
You cried like you did cried like few hours, right? Ooh, even yell.
But it really hurt.
And you should check this one just in case.
Oh, I need to.
Needle is important for you.
How beautiful.
It's nice weather, right?
Yeah.
Put some clean. Make some
These
clean.
are yours. These are.
It's just 10 minutes to Plitvice.
10 minutes?
Yes, from here. And did you see the star last night?
What?
Star.
I didn't. I think because it was.
And like this mountain section is always see beautiful
Yes.
star. 2년 만에 여기를 도착했습니다. 2년 전에 여기 왔다가 나 그때 이제 한창 성수기에 사람 많아서 안 들어갔거든요. No parking space. This house beautiful parking lot. No space because of so many people. At the moment, like last few days, I gotta miss my camper van. Which
I can understand.
this number? This is a rental car, okay?
Yes, this is yours.
Uh-huh.
Ah, this is Romanian.
So we just enter.
Excited.
I don't know why so many people are waiting at the front of the gate. Right? It's curious. Now where is the entrance here? Look at this. How beautiful. So you go inside and you can see some clothes. Look at this, how beautiful watercolor.
I feel like a princess here.
Oh really? Why is it so beautiful?
Yes.
Wow, it's clean. Really clean water. 와, 근데 쓰레기 좀 아쉽다. 저기 쓰레기 있는 거. 엘레나, how beautiful. Take enjoy.
It looks much beautiful here.
어?
It looks much more beautiful here than that.
야, 유명 관광지라 그런데 한국인도 엄청 많고 외국인들이 진짜 많아요. 이런 폭포 전망은 약간 요세미티 비슷한데 멋지네요. 야, 내 예상보다 더 멋진데. 여기가 제일 이쁘긴 한데 사람이 너무 많아서 그래서 또 한 발짝 떨어져서 구경해야지. 와, 사진 찍는 것도 힘듭니다. 야, 진짜 멋있다. 근데 제 기대 이상인데요. 근데 어제 저녁에 비 왔어서 이게 아마 폭포 수량이 조금 많은 걸 거예요. 엘레나, let's go.
Jump.
You want?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful moment. The thing is less people here. That's why more beautiful. Look at this. 저기 좀 아까 이뻤던 포인트 지나오니까 좀 사람이 좀 적어졌거든요. 나 이런 데가 훨씬 좋은 것 같아. 걷는데도 이런 작은 폭포들이 계속 볼 수 있어서 너무 멋집니다. 어우, 아름다워.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow, do you see how clean it is?
Wow, it's beautiful here. It's such a beautiful spot.
Can I yell?
No. Don't yell here. 물이 맑으니까 막 이런 물고기들. 바닥이 엄청 훤하게 보여요. 완전 신납니다. 아, 이쁘네. 뭔가 이 산책로가 더 좋다. 산책로가 너무 좋은데? 이렇게 폭포가 치면서 수심층이 층층이 나뉘어져 있어요.
I'm thirsty.
Even we don't bring any food, we don't bring any water. So there's another spot, KH. There is like some coffee. Let's see.
Go to cafe, I'm thirsty.
Wow,
They just started.
busy day.
Oh, it's for the...
Let me drink one cappuccino and we order one
Which one?
big water or
Wow, it looks so
Look at this. But I'm surprising here. Price is not that bad.
Yes,
11 or 12. Right.
coffee is no difference with coffee, I think.
How much?
2 euros. 2 and 3 euros.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, it's good.
Even the bread
Fresh.
looks
I think it's gonna be better than McDonald's.
it's bigger than McDonald's.
Good. Most of them carry the food and water, but young students are just buying. You see, right? Most of them is young
They're
people.
waiting.
I'm gonna take half each. 여기는 국립공원이 상당히 커서 절반 정도 걷고 나머지는 배 타고 이렇게 반대쪽까지 간 다음에 막 돌아오는 일정상 한 3분의 1 정도만 보고 이 산길로 해서 돌아가기로 했습니다. AK route. Yes, go on. The thing is we have to pay for the parking lot. No include the parking with the ticket fee. Even we can hear the sound as well, you know. Are you happy?
Yes.
I have to get a burger. We have more energy.
Yes, and this motivates me to work more.
Hello. Thank you. You see there we were P3.
Oh, we've been hiking so much.
Or visiting again with another season.
Winter. I've seen some pictures. It's really beautiful in winter too.
Also we can have enjoy last view of the where we see first. Such a nice trail. Let's enjoy.
Even the burger was so good.
Now it's time to go back to Oceanside. Right? How was your feet?
Much better. I can walk for real this time.
Not even pain? Little bit?
Just a little bit. It's here.
That's why.
Really nice.
Let's go for drive
It was the
again.
best adventure ever.
How much did you pay?
8 euros.
8 euro.
Yes.
Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we pay with love tonight. It's not about the money.
Money.
When the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here. Hey.
Now we are on the way to the ocean. Such a great view, Elena. Look at this.
Wow. It's really tiny.
Yeah, it's beautiful town. 여러분 거의 한 3시간 좀 더 걸렸어요. 이게 내비게이션은 한 2시간 반 이렇게 얘기했는데 뭐 초행길이기도 하고 뭐 공사하고 하니까 한 3시간 걸리더라고요. 와, 여하튼 뭐 첫날 잠깐 지나쳤던 시베닉 마을까지 돌아왔습니다. This fine?
This is 26 and 27. We have to go to 38, right? So it's not here.
Car park inside. Okay. Okay. Hello, mama.
Mama Christian.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Here's bathroom. Tower. Okay. 9.9.
Voilà.
Okay, voila. Nice location. Only thing is parking gate is really tiny. But I did it well, right?
Yes, I was.
So once time.
You almost crushed that one. But
Yeah.
Even this lady, you said, "Oh, bravo." It's like my grandma's house.
Yeah. Let's taste it one.
Do you?
Yeah, you taste it first. Is it good?
Wow.
Really good. The mother said we can take.
Yes.
Really? And how do you think for take the dinner? We're searching. If not, we're going to market, cooking. It depends.
Market is closed. You see?
Look at this, even couch. Really inside, not only one. Wow, we have a coffee, oil, everything. And we have a big couch. I can sleep here, you know. 오늘은 나가서 밥 먹습니다. Let's go to dinner.
Yeah.
Today-
This moment of the day.
Today especially get outside. Such a Soviet. Huh? You see the child racism. Child racism. What happened?
It's in Chinese.
Wow. To see the
I didn't
sunset.
expect it.
Hello. Добрый день. Look at this. Such a beautiful. What happened? We are hungry, right?
Yes, I'm so hungry.
No, what did you search for?
Pakai.
Pad Thai. No, it looks like Thailand. But I think it's kind of a fusion combination.
Small street.
It's beautiful, right? Some old town. So after we get the dinner, we can see some old town. Hope
Kind of
open.
restaurant.
Yeah. Pakai. Hello.
It smells so good.
We are two people for eating.
Fried rice, right?
Yeah. Pad Thai means like fried noodle. So we can order fried rice, it's okay. I'm surprised they have a craft beer here.
And I'm surprising they have kombucha. Kombucha, I knew it was for skincare. It's good.
Wow, it's really good.
This one too.
와, 여기서 만든 수제 맥주인데, 와, 수제 맥주 겁나 맛있네. 오랜만에 IPA 마셨더니, 와.
They want
You ordered the fried rice, right?
yes, but I
Have
didn't
enjoyed.
expect it to have chicken actually.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Yes, thank you.
I'm eating just awesome foods until now.
Oh, it's nice. Nice ramen, I think. Oh, veggie ramen. It's good already. Wow, it's good. It's really good here. I like it.
So it's not a big difference between
Big difference, but good tasty. Even price is not that expensive.
I was looking of the price the first time. The first thing that I did when I searched a restaurant.
Really. It's really good pork. Good.
Everything okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Like it?
I like it.
Much.
Thank you.
So, every feedback appreciated.
Oh, it's super nice.
Thank you.
very much.
Thank you.
The Sibenik city. This electronic city from Krka National Park.
Ah, the one that you told me about.
Yeah.
With the waterfalls.
Krka Waterfall. The first one is in the New York, Niagara Falls. But that one doesn't function for 1 year. But this one is function for 3 days.
3 days. Civita sa. Music!
Nearest best part. Nice guys are singing, Elena.
He's singing so well.
Yeah. Wow, big church there.
That one.
There's a scare. Oh, look at
Something
that.
is happening.
We are lucky. Maybe we walk around, we can come back to sit. Baklava, Arabic dessert everywhere in Europe.
That's why it's called dessert.
Yeah. Busy. Elena, how are you?
Very good. Preparing for the next adventure.
So now we're going back to the Split, okay?
But I like Split, so that's a great adventure.
어제는 여기 올드타운 구경 잘하고 오늘이 이제 이 캠핑카 렌트 마지막 날이에요. 그래서 이제 오후 1시까지는 반납을 해야 되거든요. 1시간 정도 걸리고 우리는 이제 나가서 카페에서 커피 한잔 하고 천천히 가서 차 반납하고 다시 스플릿으로 들어갈 예정입니다.
Wait. Wait, stop.
I think we can take the like ocean road or
The ocean road
oh,
is
we don't need it. We were there already, right?
true, but it's not bad if we see it again.
Yeah, such a nice view again. Maybe last stop for see the nice view. Elena, how was the journey? Maybe last 5 days, right? You were together for see so many things, so many different nature and different accommodation, different food. It's your first journey
Yes.
with the car, right?
Yeah.
So now you have a new dream.
Camper van. Really?
Okay.
See, 10 years.
Why you say 10 years?
Let's say 10, so I can finish it in 8. So it will be unexpected.
Now you have some dream. That's why that is a good motivation for your hard work. You know, sometimes people don't have a motivation, they don't try hard.
It's important to have a motivation.
So, Elena, people don't check it. I told you when I rented this car as well, they don't check anything and just give me the car. Now we find some castle here. Easy. Yeah, it's big. Your couch bed is good for you, right? Okay, you save money for accommodation. Okay? Oh, bedroom is big. Every single Airbnb is really good in Croatia, right? What happened today? What are you cooking now?
Salmon.
Salmon. Why?
In Romanian style, I think again.
Romania no salmon, I know.
No, I didn't cook salmon until now.
Now you're watching Korea cooking show. More cheese, more cheese.
But I have to be careful.
More cheese, more cheese, more cheese, more cheese.
Looks good. I start to cook well, right? Even if it takes me 2 hours.
What are you cooking now?
I have no idea what's the name of
I'll put some sausage. And last time you should have put some cheese on the top. It's gonna be good. Nice, Elena, looking good.
it. Yeah!
Yeah, smells good.
Let's hope it tastes good.
Yeah, let's taste it.
But don't lie.
It's salty, right?
A little bit.
After we eat the lunch, let's go to beach.
Beach!
You know, beach is just 3 minutes from our house.
It does look nice now, right?
No, wait for the melt. Let's eat the potato risotto. That's it, no problem. It's potato. That's well done. It's really Korean style, like side dish.
Oh! Really? Last time it didn't look like this, right?
So this rice is like, it's still good, but it's wet. In Korea, we have some problem at the stomach or some sick.
Because
We eat
of
like
rice
this.
like this?
No. When we have some pain,
You eat like
we
this.
eat like this.
Play.
Elena,
Yes.
let's go to beach
Yeah!
for swimming.
Plitvice.
Now I know. Be careful. The black needle.
No, they don't have black needle.
So do you want to get the swimming class today? That's why. Yeah, here is good. It's getting deeper. Go. No, after coming is better. 오늘은 좀 저기 애들이 많아서 좀 이렇게 물 색깔이 조금 짙은데 그 평일에 오면은 좀 에메랄드빛 블루. No, you try to swim. Swim for like 1 minute and no cold. Okay, 10 kick. More. No, arm and leg is separate. You're doing together now. Slowly, just do it slowly, no problem. You never die here. Elena! Proggy. I told you already that it's not possible for one day. You have to practice sometimes, you know? Trying. Okay, now it's better. Going. A little better. Okay. No, it's okay. Come this way. No problem. No problem. No problem. Just go. Just go to sleep. No, it's okay. I'm standing here. Separate, separate. No, now you're doing better. No problem. There is no dipper. Just go, just go. There is no dipper.
I know the technique, but it's just hard to do it.
Hold the breath. 10 seconds.
No way.
No, 10 seconds is okay. 3, 4, 5. Even 5 seconds. What happened for you? It's okay. Here's no deal. Here's no deal. Just go. Just rest for 10 minutes and you do again, okay? So, how are you?
Hungry.
Let's go. Let's go to Split City.
Yeah.
We cooked the lunch today, so I will invite dinner today, okay? But
That's
we're gonna.
the best news for today.
Shall we take the bus, right?
Yes.
Okay.
On that side.
We're gonna get some Oriental food, Asian food. How do you feel when you see the Croatian people looks quite similar?
To Romanian people?
Yes.
Yes. But they are more friendly than Romanian people.
I think a little bit different.
At face?
Yeah.
Really?
For me, yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you. I think here, like a lot of Asian restaurants are popular everywhere
This one.
in Croatia.
It's because I saw even there they have more restaurants in English.
Yeah, some big restaurant other than. Yeah.
Here. Here.
Probably here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you.
Already, it's nice.
Can
What's
you-
yours?
Kimchi rice. Kimchi fried rice. Wow, it's super sweet.
This one is really good.
Good.
You can try.
Good.
Good, right?
This one is first boil and fry.
It said exactly about this one. About the food.
Same part.
Really?
Two similar, but I think a bit detail is different. Kimchi.
It's really good.
Half, yeah.
Are we done yet? Here.
Yeah, like this.
Where are you from, John?
Korea. You're from here?
No, I'm from Albania.
Albania? Wow, I have this Albania. It's much better. Just for
You
making.
want to put it there? No.
No.
Okay. Read it for Google.
Ah, okay, of course.
Sorry, because of the banana.
그래도 이 정도면 깔끔하게 잘 잘랐어. So I think that every like weekend and Friday and Saturday they do something. That's amazing because of 9 p.m. of the night.
Yes, that's weird.
Child
actually.
doing some celebrating.
And they don't sleep.
What they doing?
This dance, the uniform is different.
Why more women?
This is
What
how
happened?
This is how is the world nowadays. More women, less men.
No, in Korea more men.
Oh, really?
And so now you're happy to go home.
No,
Come on,
no,
let's finish your holiday now.
no, but I want one more holiday. I want one more holiday.
It was great time together, right?
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
Why?
A lot of surprise. how European girl like traveling like this. But it was enjoy, right?
Yes, I really enjoy
I think
traveling.
I have to do something here in Croatia. You know what? I will just preparing for my next dream.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
yes.
You know already.
Yacht trip.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sailing around the world, right? That's why.
It's much more interesting, like traveling with you than traveling by myself.
Now your time to be go back to your world. And no problem. You can become a grown with this memory, right?
I will.
Okay. 37. Elena.
Thank you.
Come on. Come home. See you next time. Bye bye. Go, 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 go.
Wish that we could stop and take each day. In the evening, when I get home, always have to find you.
그녀는 갔습니다. 엘레나는 이제 여기 돌아와서 한 이틀 정도 더 머물다가 이제 자기 루마니아로 돌아갔어요. 저 친구도 이제 딴 데 여행을 좀 더 하고 싶다고 했는데 좀 그런 금전적인 여유가 좀 부족하대요. 재미도 있었고 무엇보다 뭔가 이제 친구 어린 친구잖아요. 그래서 이제 웬만한 건 다 새롭고 좋아하더라고요. 오히려 뭐 그래서 저는 이제 뭐 저 늘상 하던 여행이니까 그 옆에서 뭐 작은 것들에 감동하는 그런 친구가 한 명 있으니까 되게 재밌더라고요. 저는 크로아티아에서 이제 남은 큰일을 잘 해결하고 여행을 출발하도록 하겠습니다. 여기까지 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다.
When I get up, wish that in the morning, when I get up, wish that we could stop